Meaning of gravedigger.
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 Gravedigger. A gravedigger is typically a person who prepares graves for burial. They are responsible for digging the grave to the appropriate depth and size, as well as ensuring that the area is safe for mourners and other funeral staff. In some cultures, gravediggers may also perform religious rites or ceremonies during the burial process. While it may be viewed as a somber and macabre profession, it is an important and necessary one for ensuring that the deceased are laid to rest in a dignified and respectful manner.